Hey guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Today I started to come out here and I was going to make over my back porch area and spruce it up for summer. But then the first thing I noticed was how disgusting my umbrella is. It is so bad. It sits under all of these trees. It gets like this green stuff all over it. So I never realized until I tried it a while back, you can actually take these off and wash them. I have one of those really big umbrellas, and so they're expensive. It's not like something I can just go and replace super easy. So I'm going to show you how to take these apart and wash them so you can really save some time and money and really make your space look super awesome. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, and so let's get started. Okay, so to begin with, I just put the umbrella down, and then right here where they're all, as you can see, where they're hooked in, you can just pull them right off like that. So I'm just unhooking it all the way around. Okay, so mine's a two-tiered umbrella, so I'm going to get a ladder and unhook this half of it. Okay, so we have it all unhooked, and now we're going to go up there and we're going to unscrew the top of that's holding the fabric on and take it off and wash it, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I decided to take mine down because it was way too tall. So this is the top of your umbrella. You just unscrew this off. Comes off, and then your whole thing comes off, and we can throw, this is the top part of my umbrella. I have a second half because mine's like a poofy one. So here's the top part, so we'll put this in the washer. And now to undo my second one, I have little clips that are up here, and we'll just remove this bit off of the little clips. Okay, so I have the whole thing off. Oh my goodness, it is so dirty. I don't know if you can see. It is so disgusting. Let's go put this in the wash. I'm going to go put this in the wash on cold, and then we are going to set it out over the table out here to dry in the sun. You do not put these in the dryer. And I highly recommend that when it's on the cold cycle, after it's all filled, that you stop and you let it soak for a while. I think I'm going to do mine with a combination of detergent, maybe some borax, and some people put detergent that you like, dishwasher detergent, in there with theirs also. If you had a white one, you could add bleach. I don't want to bleach mine out, so I'm definitely not going to add that. But so that's how I'm going to wash mine, and then hopefully it'll wash nicely and get all clean, and we'll get it hung back up and we can start decorating this back deck. Okay, another great option if your umbrella is super like full of mildew and mold and that kind of thing, and a washing machine is just not going to cut it, you can get a 5-gallon bucket, and you can, I am soaking this one, I'm going to give this one a try with Dawn and vinegar. And I'm going to soak that, and then you can use your hose to rinse it off to see if it comes off. So it just depends on the level of dirt that you have going on your umbrella. Alright guys, I don't think that my umbrella is gonna ever get clean. It's been cleaned in the past, but it is just, I've had this for so many years. I have washed this, I have soaked this, I have power washed this, and there is nothing I can do to get this clean. So this video is gonna turn into how to dye your umbrella. I think that I'm gonna dye this umbrella black since I can't get it clean. I think that would be super cute, which I think would be really fun to do and kind of give my back porch a little bit of a different look. So let's see what we can do. But I do just want to add in that normally, if your umbrella didn't look like mine to begin with, it is so easy to clean. The steps that I did do normally work. Unfortunately, I live in an environment where lots of stuff from the trees, lots of mold, lots of mildew happens on my umbrella, and I also am paying for the fact that I left my umbrella out all winter long. So let's get to dyeing. Okay, so I went to the store and I decided actually instead of going with black, I'm going to go with this chocolate brown. I think that'll match my back deck better. And then I got that. I have an apron on. I have gloves. And then I just got a bucket big enough to fit all of my umbrella in there. And so I'm just honestly just going to follow the directions that are on the back of the bottle. So I'm heating water right now because it wants the water above 200 degrees but right before boiling. So I'm just heating that up, and so then I'm just going to put that all in there, put my gloves on, and then I need to be able to move it around for about 30 minutes. And then after that we'll rinse, we'll let it dry, and hopefully then we're going to have a really pretty umbrella. Okay, well, it is finally all done. Oh my goodness, I'm a big sweaty mess. It's hot out here today. Come back for the back porch makeover. It'll be next. This looks so much better now that I don't have a bunch of mildew all over it. Isn't quite the color that I thought it was going to turn out, but hey, anything's better than it was. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.